Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Norton VPN on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Norton 360 app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on menu at the bottom of your screen. This screen shows all the protection features available on your iPhone. On the home screen, find VPN or Secure VPN. Tap on it. Now you will see a screen with Connect or Turn On button. Tap Connect. If this is your first time using the VPN, your iPhone may ask for permissions. Tap Allow, then use Face ID, Touch ID or enter your passcode. Wait a few seconds. When the VPN is working, you will see the word connected and the switch will turn green. You may also see a small VPN icon at the top of your iPhone screen. This means the VPN is now active. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Norton 360 VPN on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.